So hi guys, let's see DPM20 what we got. So it's a line graph, okay, and it is a line graph of income and expenditure of a company over the years. The years are here mentioned here 1987 to 92, okay, and this is the amount in crores, okay, rupees crores. Done. So let's see the first question. The total expenditure of which of the following pairs of years was equal to the income in the year 1992? So in the year 1992, the income would be 92 is here, the income is the circle wala part, and it is very close to 450. Let's take it as 440. Okay, so all we need to do is find out the expenditure of the pairs of years now. Okay, so 1987 and 1988. Okay, 1987 the expenditure, which means the square, the filled square. 1987 the expenditure was 300, and in 1988 the expenditure was 250. So this would be 550. This is not our answer. Okay, we need the answer sum as 440. Next, 1987. So 1987 again it is 300, and 1989 this is 200. This will be what? 500. Next, 1988 250 plus 1989, this will be 200. You will get the sum as 450, which is again not equal to the income in the year 1992. So your answer will be what? None of these. Okay. Next question. What is the percentage decrease in expenditure from 1988 to 89? So percentage decrease in expenditure. Okay. So percentage decrease, the formula will be what? Whatever the value of expenditure is in the year 1989, which is what? 200, and in 1988 it was 250. So 250. So the difference, we'll take the absolute value, because again we know that there is a decrease from 1988 to 89. So we will take the difference as decrease, as there is a 50 decrease of 50 crores. Okay, so the percentage change or the percentage decrease would be what? 50 upon whatever the value it was in 1988, which is 250 into 100. That is how we calculate percentage change. So 0 and 0 gets cancelled. This is 5 and you get the answer as 20%. Which option? Okay, none of these. Okay, so option D again. Next question. This is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Okay, just a error. In how many of the given years was the expenditure more than the average expenditure of the given years? Okay, so first of all we'll be calculating the average expenditure of all the years, right? So let's add all the expenditures. First is 350, so the average will be 350 or 300 plus 1988, it is 250. Next we have 200, then we have 400 plus the 400 is here, this 90, then we have 91. This is almost in the center only, so we'll take 170, and in 1992 we will take this as 370. Okay, it is not exactly in the middle, but okay, fine, right? And average you will divide it by 1 2 3 4 5 6. You will divide it by 6. So here you will get the average. If you calculate this, the average would be 281.67, right? So now all you have to do is check in which of the years the average is what? More. So 300 will be counted. 400 will be counted, right? So, and 200, 370 will be counted. Okay, so your answer is what? Option B, 3. Okay, it would be year 1987, it would be the last year 92, and it would be 1990. Okay, moving on, fourth question. In which of the following years was the percentage of income to the expenditure the highest? So no need to calculate all the years. We have 6 years given in the graph, but let's just focus on the 4 options that we have. Okay, so in the year 1987, we need to calculate the percentage of income to the expenditure. So income to expenditure into 100, right? So the percentage of income to expenditure. So in 1987, the income was 450 and the expenditure was 300. Here this will be into 100. 0 and 0 gets cancelled out. This will be 15 3s are. This is 15 2s are, and 2 will get cancelled out here. 50. So you get the answer as 150%. Next, in 1988. In 1988, the income was 400 and the expenditure was 250, right, into 100. So here the 0 gets cancelled out. This will be 5 8s are, this will be 5 5s are, and 5 will get cancelled out here. 20. I'll have my answer as 160%. Okay. Next option is 1989. Here you will have the income as 350 and the expenditure is 200 into 100. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. This is 175. So you get 175%. Next, up till now, this is the highest, right? And the last is 1990. This will be what? Income is 450. 1990 divide by the expenditure is 400 into 100. Okay, so clearly if we solve this, this would be 1 1, this is 10, so 2 point something, right? So obviously it is smaller than 175%, so your answer will be 1989. Okay, next, what is the approximate percentage increase in income from 1991 to 1992? So from 1991 to 1992, okay, it would be what? 91. This is the income, and let's take it 380 because it is little upwards only. 380 to it went to 92. It is very close to 450, so let's take it 440. Okay, so the difference here is what? 80. This will be 20. The increase is 60, right? 60 crores is the increase, and they are asking the percentage increase, so you will divide it by 380 multiplied by 100. Okay, so you will get the answer. You solve this, this becomes 2, this is 19, this would be 5. Okay, so 300 divided by 19. If you solve this, you will get the answer somewhere around 15. Okay, so none of the option matches, so your answer is D, none of these. Okay, because it is quite far from option D as well, right? Okay, so that's it for today's DPM.